Right, are you ready for another room tour? We've moved from the previous resort, which was Animal Kingdom Lodge, to Saratoga Springs, and we're now in room 7632. So this is deluxe studio. Come on in. That's the lock off, so that you can see if you're joining people that's in there. And then we come in, you've got some clothes hooks, obviously, full length mirror, kitchenette, which is small, but you know, got everything there. Full fridge, which is better. No beers, what a shame. Coffee machine, whatever. Toaster, yeah. Interesting compared to the previous, when we were at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Glasses and proper tableware. This is a studio, not a one bed. So it's all paper cups and throwaway stuff. Not too bad. Locked, not sure what that is. Other side, sink, single vanity. Nice big mirror, obviously. Storage. Closet space. Iron. Safe. Yeah, probably get my laptop in there, so that's okay. Hoover. Yeah, you'll stay in there. And feels quite nice. Kazi. Shower, which is over the bath. And it's got reasonably modern looking. So it looks like it might have been done up recently. Not sure when these were refurbished, but it does feel kind of new. And then into the bedroom. Big Disney bed, brilliant. Underbed storage. That's obviously the second pull down, not going to be used, just Nikki and I. When the cases do turn up, they're en route from our previous resort. We can get unpacked. Nice big telly. And then I'm doing the room tour because we're supposed to be going to the park, but it's Florida. Nice little balcony. Nice view actually, because got a bit of greenery. And although it's the car park, it's empty, so go on.
You've got the Apple tag, so you can check where our cases are.
Oh yes.
Shall we do that?
We've got the luggage coming and it hasn't turned up yet. So thermometer. Nice. It does feel like it's been recently redone. So that's the room.